Hi friends, welcome to Techie Insights. I'm back with another unboxing video. Inside this huge box is the most awaited piece of gaming console. Most probably the best console in market. This unboxing is really exciting to me. I was waiting to have this PlayStation 5 ever since it was released in November 2020. Sony has stopped production for years and now the product is back in stock. This all new console was well worth the waiting times. Without further waiting, let's unbox it. There are two different PS5 models available. PlayStation 5 customers can pick up a console with an Ultra HD optical drive, which I am unboxing here, and other one without a disk drive. Today I'm having here the PlayStation 5 with the God of War bundled edition, which comes with 1 year warranty from Sony. To the top it says 8K, 4K, 120 FPS and HDR. God of War game is not pre-installed, a voucher code will be given inside. Here we take a closer look at the console with optical disk drive and the controller. Device usage is rated for 18 plus. On to the right we have the full image of the console in vertical position with the controller. And the inbox contents are also mentioned here. We do get a Astro Playroom game pre-installed and a voucher for God of War. That's all here. At the back we have play like never before. The console is placed now in horizontal and few specs are highlighted. This time the PS5 has storage capacity of 825 gigabytes. That sounds good. In the outer box we got a warranty document. On the top I think we have accessory box. Inside is the console. It's huge. Let me take it out first. Let's have a look on accessories. God of War game voucher is included. We got a quick start guide and casual paperwork. It's included power cable. We got one HDMI cable. This is the dock for the console. You need this to place your console in either ways, flat on its side or the other way. We got one new DualSense wireless controller. The first impression is nice. It has a solid design. It has longer stems this time, built-in rechargeable 1500 mAh battery, Type-C port for charging. It possesses cool new features like haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, motion sensors, built-in speaker, a microphone and a touchpad. This is a USB A to C cable to charge your controller. That's all the accessories included in the box. PS5 is a massive upgrade, literally. Seeing it in person, few things I noticed. It has a matte finish outside and glassy black inside, which is a reflective surface. It's a cool architect. To the front, we have one USB and one Type C port. At the bottom, we have a disk ejector and power button. On the sides, we can see good ventilation, and these are heat acts as a heat sink. The same continues in the top, and we can see the same thing in the back. We have a lot of heat sinks. That means it has a good thermal management. We have two high-speed USB 3.0 ports, one Ethernet, one HDMI, and one power input at the bottom. Out of 825 gigs, we got only 667 gigs to use, and now after pre-installed Astro Playroom game, we have only 644 gigs. If you need to up your console storage, you can add a new SSD inside the PS5 or connect one externally. You can choose to install location for games and apps if you have any internal and external drives. This is just a first look unboxing hardware kind of video. Over a week from now, I will be testing this PS5 and I'll give you a full review in my next video. Please do subscribe the channel and support us. Hit a like if you like this content.